you'll need to click on the demo site zip, and then you can download this, and it should end up in your downloads folder. I've done this more than once because I'm practicing. So I'm going to show in folder, and I'm going to choose extract, and then extract all. And I'm going to select where I want to extract it to. So I'm going to browse, and I'm going to go into my documents, which is where I have my Web 105 folder. It might be on your desktop. I'm going to go into Web 105 and select folder, and I'm going to choose extract. Now I've already done this, so you won't get the replace files. I'm just putting it back in here. Once it's extracted, and you'll see I have other ones because I've been working on this class for a while, so some of these are projects I've already done, but this will save into here where you have your CSS, images, pages, and index. We're going to use this to practice uploading to GitHub. So you'll need to have that extracted before you can do that. You'll need to have your Web 105 folder created because you're going to need that when setting up your project.